Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Visual Studio Code and getting straight to the settings. Press Ctrl Plus or CMD Plus on Mac, and the settings panel appears. Once done, type Theme in the search bar to narrow options. Make sure to click the gear icon at the lower left and select Color Theme from the drop-down, because this takes you to the selectable palette quickly. You are now ready to pick a theme. Proceed to the next step to apply and customize it. You will now choose and apply a theme. Use the keyboard arrows or click names to preview themes live so you can see background and syntax contrast immediately. Once you find one you like, press Enter to apply it. If colors don't match your taste, open Extensions and install another theme pack, then return to Color Theme. For precise control, open Settings. JSON and add color overrides. Make sure to save after edits, so the background you finish by directly changing the background color in Settings. JSON. Open Preferences, open Settings, JSON, then add or edit the workbench. Color customizations object with an editor. Background hex value like #1E1E1E, this overrides the theme background. Save the file and reload the window, use Developer, reload window if changes don't appear. Troubleshooting tip. If colors still fail, disable conflicting extensions temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.